Have spring and summer been a bit crazy for you this year?
It's Wednesday? Or is it Tuesday? It's Wednesday.
Yeah, us too. We've been revealing the Retro Ranch Reno to you, and we got all the way to the end when I realized there's a room I forgot to show you. So here it is. Get ready for the lower guest room. If you're looking for a restful night's sleep, one of the things you may want to avoid is having a washer and dryer in your bedroom.
Currently, this is a bedroom/laundry room, but this will be a much greater bedroom once the laundry is no longer in it.
As you know, we relocated the laundry into the mudroom.
In doing that, we were able to put the washer and dryer together and create a really efficient laundry zone.
With the laundry gone, this is a spacious room, and we were able to fit in a king-size bed so your guests can have a dreamy night's sleep. This is the Boulevard Bed from my new furniture collection. Rounded profile, warm walnut wood, and the great thing is you don't need a box spring because there are huge storage drawers tucked away at the end. I added a pair of side tables, also from my Boulevard collection. These have a ton of storage below, and the top has a little lip around it, so anything you put on your bedside table stays on your bedside table.
Whenever people come to stay at our house, I always love to ask them the next morning, how did you sleep? They'll say, oh my gosh, I had the best sleep. I never sleep that well. What is it, they say to me? Well, I think it's a combination of 3 factors. Number 1, you need to start with a great mattress. The second ingredient is pillows. I think it's important to have a combination of down pillows or down alternative with a polyester pillow. Something a little firmer, something a little bit soft, so that everybody's head and neck is perfectly cradled. And the last thing, the finishing touch, and the thing that really, really ultimately matters is the sheets. I do not think you need to spend a fortune on sheets. I think you need 100% cotton sheets that are silky, smooth, freshly washed. I don't iron sheets. I like to take them out of the laundry, shake them, and put them on the bed as quickly as possible so they look nice and smooth. But this is my recipe for how to create a bed that delivers a dreamy night's sleep. A great mattress, comfy pillows, beautiful sheets, and then surround yourself with a few little luxuries.
One of those luxuries is this amazing wallpaper.
This graphic pattern wallpaper looks fantastic.
And the angular pattern complements my junction rug, which gives this whole room a minimalist, modern style, and that's what we've been going for since the beginning of this project.
I love every project, and every project is completely different, but this Retro Ranch Reno is a project that really feels like it just makes me smile every time I come here because it has happy solutions. The spaces feel happy and sunny, but let's talk about what the biggest game changer was in every single one of them from beginning to end. You want to take a quick tour with me? A quick final wrap up on this Retro Ranch Reno before we say goodbye. Exterior, staining the brick, hands down. We know that. Let's move into the foyer. Step right in. Biggest change in the foyer. Ooh, I'm conflicted about this one, but I'm going to say it was the install of the hexagonal tile floor. Major game changer, and it looks sleek and amazing. The biggest change in the kitchen was about the reorientation of how the space flows and works.
So you know what I'm thinking here? We could do a giant U-shaped kitchen.
The U-shaped layout with the giant peninsula is what makes this kitchen live large, work for a crowd, and be designed for modern living. Dining room, obviously the biggest change in the dining room was taking out that wall. This wall. Do we really need this wall? Because now the dining room feels like it's doubled in size, and it's connected both to the kitchen and to the living room. You know what I'm gonna say in the living room. There is one change that made the biggest change, and it was the simplest change in this entire house, and that is fresh coat of paint, and this place is gonna shine the day the paneling went from brown to white. That is a decision I will never regret. In the main bathroom, the biggest change was making it bigger, and our team's awesome idea that by taking over the extra space we gained when we eliminated the extra entryway,
so the bathroom's looking good.
We could create a much bigger main bathroom with a sunken tub. Yay for teamwork, yay for collaboration, and yay for this end result. In the bunk room, oh, the bunk room. Look at this cute cute little room. I love this little room. And the biggest change in the bunk room was the Minister of Exterior's idea.
Now that is awesome.
That's your idea.
I know, but I'm so stoked to see it.
To steal a little bit of space, enough for a twin bed to create this amazing bunk nook from the adjacent principal bedroom closet. I think the best transformation in the guest room is really about the DIY projects. It's the transformation of this room using leftover supplies to make the wall-mounted bedside tables, the headboard, and the biggest joy for me here in this room is that solutions could be found when we were locked down in the middle of a pandemic with no access to stores. And somehow we managed, hooray! In the principal bedroom, it's all about the glory of the polka dot and whimsy. We took this room from a simple, basic space to something that feels luxurious and soft and fun and fresh all at the same time. Principal bathroom, the game changer is 100% the marble slab walls that we got for an amazing deal, and also adding a little bit of extra space here, that was a winner. You want to talk about big changes on the lower level? I have to go with removing the cladding around the basement stairs, because that's the thing that took this from feeling like two distinct spaces and turned it into one big, amazing open space. Layer it on with the glass and also the vinyl floors. Oh, so many changes, but I'm supposed to only tell you about one. So just one change. What?
Whose idea was this, dude?
That was your idea.
Thank you.
Yeah, I've given you credit for that so many times. Thanks to the Minister of Exterior's clever idea. The biggest change in the bar is about the glory of the cosmetic overhaul. And here's something amazing that I've noticed through social media. A lot of you were not fans of what I did in the bar, but that's okay, because I love it. I think it's fun, I think it's modern, I think it's fresh, I think it's bold, and for me, the idea of having a bar in your home is about fun. So if you want a place to be fun, be daring, be bold, this is your place to do it. How about the lower guest room? I think the biggest change is getting the laundry out of this room and turning it into a big, bright, beautiful guest room with a giant king-size bed. The bathroom? Oh, this bathroom. The lower level bathroom gets me excited because this bathroom was so tiny.
Yeah, it's an ugly bathroom.
And so lacking in functionality when I first came in, and we were able to move the wall to enlarge it a little bit, taking over some of the space from the crawl space.
Yeah.
I think gaining that amount of space will completely transform this bathroom.
That's a shower, that's a vanity.
And the bathtub in the main bathroom above, we stole some extra headroom, and ta-da! This bathroom reimagined lives large, and instead of just being the basement bathroom, it's check out the basement bathroom. The last big game changer transformation is the mudroom, laundry room. And I have to say, this one gets me excited because this is what I love about my job. This is the glory of space that has yet to be imagined. This was unfinished space. It was lacking any design, and now look at it. Tons of storage, a welcoming place to come in directly off the garage, a great place to do laundry. We've got storage. It is now neat, clean, it's finished, and this is where our journey ends. And wow, can you believe that? That's it. We're done. And it's time for us to move on to another adventure. So tell me in the comments below, because I want to know what you want to see me and the Minister of Exteriors tackle next. What should it be? Tell me. I'm listening, because guess what? I'm ready to do something else.
This just in from your favorite fan. Which is your favorite game changer in the entire house?
Oh,
You can only choose one.
I can't choose one. I'll never be able to choose one. We did this entire house, inside and out. How could I possibly choose one? It's impossible. Did you like this video? Here's what I need you to do. I need you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, because if you subscribe, next time I launch a video, you'll know about it. I'll tell you. Sound good?